Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious popsicles without molds. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need small paper cups, an ice cube tray, or even a loaf pan. Next, prepare your favorite liquid mixture. This could be fruit juice, blended fruit, or creamy yogurt. Finally, make sure you have plenty of popsicle sticks or small spoons on hand. This method is super easy and fun for everyone. Now it's time to fill your containers. Carefully pour your liquid mixture into each cup, ice cube tray compartment, or loaf pan, filling them about 3/4 of the way. This leaves room for expansion. Next, gently cover the tops with aluminum foil or plastic wrap. This helps hold the sticks in place. Place them in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours until they are partially frozen, but not completely solid. After about 90 minutes, your popsicles should be firm enough to hold a stick. Take them out of the freezer and carefully insert a popsicle stick or a small spoon into the center of each one. The partial freeze helps the stick stand upright. Now, place them back into the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, to ensure they are completely frozen solid and ready to enjoy. When your popsicles are completely frozen, it's time for the best part, enjoying them. To easily remove them, simply run the outside of the container under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. This slight warmth helps loosen the edges. Then, gently twist or pull the popsicle from its container. Now you have a delicious, homemade frozen treat made without any special molds. Enjoy your cool creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.